Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Georgia and thank you very much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, we are getting ready, we are packing for our Christmas vacation, and I'm very excited. I'm so looking forward to begin this process of packing and actually traveling to go back to Greece. I'm coming from Greece, so I'm going to go back and meet my family. So we are having actually quite a trip, because at the beginning I will go first to France and then we will travel to Greece. So I am trying to fit everything in a small luggage on a carry-on, so this is going to be a challenge. So let's get started, let's pack, let's organize what I would like to take with me in these like 10 days of traveling. I'm very excited, so let's go. First and foremost, very important for me to have peace of mind is write down all the items that I can think of, you know, like as an overview that I would like to take with me in this trip. So for example, like chargers for my phone, chargers for the camera, the tripods, the I don't know, like shampoo, conditioners, things like this. They're very basic that I need to tick off when I am like putting them inside my luggage, so I know that I will not forget them. And of course, like during the course of the day, more things will come up to my mind, and when I'm putting things I will be like, maybe I should also include this and that. But we need to be very strategic because it's just a carry-on, so it's a small bag. So let me write down all the items that I am thinking of taking with me, and then we can start like putting things inside the luggage. Why is not focusing? Do you like my tree? This is a beautiful tree, but it's me here. Back in the bedroom where I will start organizing everything, and we start with the skincare. This is the most challenging part because I have to do like a jigsaw puzzle in order to fit everything in this tiny bag that the airline requires to have the liquids. And you know, when I was doing this, and I will tell you everything about this bag, I was like, the people are not understanding a woman's skincare routine. We have different products for morning, different for night, different for different days, and it's really challenging and hard to fit everything. And some airports are like a little bit more flexible, but I know when I will leave from Greece, I know that they will check that the bag needs to be like sealed. So I am like really trying my best in order to fit everything over here and make sure that I can have at least the basics. So let me get you through of what I will take with me for the skincare part. And I have to say, the advent calendars that I have been opening now for the month of December have been like a really big help, because you will see I have some items that I took actually from the calendars because they are like travel sizes or mini sizes, so they like, it really helps me to maintain, you know, like a decent amount of products here without compromising what I'm taking with me. So let me share with you what this magical bag has inside. The first thing that I'm grabbing is this perfume. This is the Poets of Berlin Wilhelm Parfumerie from New York, and I really liked the scent. Is like very like sweet but florally at the same time, and I thought that you know, it's a travel size. I actually had this in the Liberty calendar and I loved it, I have to say. So I was keeping it inside my bag, and I will take this with me because my Glossier perfume is like in a bigger bottle, and for sure it doesn't fit here. So I'm taking this perfume with me. Next one, very important for my nighttime skincare routine, is the Alpha 8 Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. This is like a hero product for me. I use it every other night for my nighttime skincare routine, and I really need to have it. So it goes inside the bag, and what I do is actually remove, why I cannot remove this cap, and it has another one over here, so I am sure, you know, like I am reducing a little bit the space inside the bag. Then I have my travel size of Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, every single day in the morning. I really need to have this, and it's perfect that you know, I have also the travel size, and actually I got this in the Liberty calendar as well, so I was very happy to open this one. Moving forward, a cleanser from Paula's Choice as well. I have never tried this one. I got it from the Cal Beauty calendar, and I thought, you know, it's a travel size. It's actually like really good size for 10 days that I would be away, and it fits perfectly in the bag. This is the Pore Normalizing Cleanser, and it's for blemish prone skin. So I will also give you a review of how I find it using it the next 10 days. Another product that I found in the Cal Beauty calendar is the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. So I get this one. This is 30 ml. I will not remove the cap. I need the cap, otherwise I think it will spill everywhere. But this is a vitamin C serum, and from the moment I opened this one, every single day I'm using it. I really like it, and it has become a staple now in my morning skincare routine, so I want to have it with me. I'm also taking this tiny hyaluronic serum from Dr. Barbara Sturm. I really like this product. I have used it a little bit, as you can tell, but yeah, it's tiny. It's perfect to have it in this also tiny bag. I cannot go without my retinol, of course. This is the retinol that I'm using for my face. It's the Medigate Crystal Retinol 3. I use it every second night, and I really like it. And then also I have the eye cream that I'm using every single night. This is the Crystal Retinol Ceramide Eye 3 for smooth and lift eye cream. So yeah, both of them in the bag. To protect my skin from the sun, because I'm going back to Greece, it's going to be sunnier, so I'm taking, of course, my sunscreen. I'm using it actually every single day, even though I'm living in Luxembourg, it's raining outside, I still have my sunscreen. This is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics with SPF 50 PA 4+. So I actually finished the bottle this morning, so this is a brand new packet bottle. So yeah, I'm taking this with me. And for my moisturizer, there she is. I got this one in the, I think it was in the Liberty calendar. This is the Dr. Barbara Sturm, the face cream. I love this one. Love. I really like it. It has a beautiful like texture. It's like thick but also very lightweight on the skin. Really enjoy using this, and I was like a little bit like torn apart which one to take with me, because the other day I actually opened from the Cal Beauty calendar the Augustinus Baber the Ritz cream with TFC 8. So I was like, should I take this one or do I take, you know, this one? But I thought that for this one I really want to take my time and be in my normal environment and really test this out in, you know, in this weather where I am living, so I can have like the best results, let's say, for the review. So I thought that, you know, taking this moisturizer would make more sense. I have, of course, added the foundation and concealer that I'm taking with me. This is the Dior concealer, and this is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. Love these two products. I am actually using them every single day, so these are coming with me. And the last product that I have with me, unfortunately, I didn't have any space to put any shampoo inside the tiny bag, so I will buy something in Greece. But I wanted to have for sure like a conditioner or something that will make my hair like, you know, nourished, like feel nourished. So I got this Amica Hydro Rush, and this is an intense moisture leave-in conditioner. It is coming in like a spray bottle, and I thought it's the perfect opportunity to try it. I also got it in the, it was in the Cal Beauty calendar, so yeah, I thought that yes, thank you very much, I'm using it directly. These are all the skincare products that I'm taking with me. Of course, I will have my makeup bag with my makeup essentials, let's say like a tiny small eyeshadow palette and the rest of the things like blush, contour sticks and things like this, and my brushes, but I will not like overdo it, you know. Very simple, but the important stuff will be there. As you can understand, it's a little bit later in the day from the lighting, I guess, because it's dark outside and we have to open the lights. And I had to finish some things for work, so that's why I'm only starting now to do the packing of my clothes inside my luggage, my hand luggage. And this is going to be a challenge, but let's see how I will fit everything. I don't know why I did this to myself, to be honest. I don't know why I thought that a hand luggage is going to be okay for 10 days. Well, it's going to be, as I said, a challenge, but let's see. I will show you my process and my thought of how I'm selecting some items and why I'm not taking more things and things like this. So I will guide you through, and let me know in the comments below if you have any tips or if you think that I'm totally crazy and I should have booked like taking with me a big luggage. Anyways, so let's start packing. As you can see, I have laid down all the items that I am planning to have with me inside the luggage. I think it is very important actually to plan the outfits already before the trip, because this way you are not overpacking. The goal is to put everything inside my small luggage. Let's do this. I do get some active wear so I can work out during my time in Athens, because my brother will be there, a friend of mine will be there, so we will do different things, and it's going to be also a perfect opportunity for me, since I was sick, now to kickstart again my routine. Some pajamas, some more work things, and we also plan to go for some hiking, so I think it's important to have also this type of everyday and active wear clothes. I will get one dress that I will have, and also I have ordered another dress from Duet that I will wear for my, let's say, evenings over there, so I don't need to take anything more. I will just have my tights over here, and as you can tell, a lot of black. Here are some additional pants I will take with me, and I'm wearing on the trip the pants that I have at the moment, these black jeans, and I'm taking another pair of black jeans and also another pair of just some dark blue trousers. I have a very simple turtleneck from Zara that I will have with me, and also I do have this beautiful knitted sweater from Duet that I will have over here, which is my pop of color. I'm also getting this black turtleneck from Naked that I showed you in my previous video, but this is something that I'm going to wear during my travel because it's very big. And lastly, I will add a body from Zara. And these are all the clothes that I'm going to take with me in the trip in Greece. I will add also my underwear and my socks, but this part I am skipping it. Now for the shoes is going to be quite tricky. These are the shoes that I'm going to travel with, so I don't need to have them inside the luggage. But these are the two pairs I'm going to bring in Athens. A pair that I can do all the workouts and in general have them like casually. And then a pair of black high heel, like not high heel, but kind of like chunky heel. So let's see how it will fit. Of course, I will add a bag inside the bag because I don't understand sometimes how people are putting their shoes with their clothes. For me, this is madness. I always need to have a separate, section, like a bag that I can put the shoes so they don't mix with my clean stuff. This one goes directly here. I know it takes all the space. Maybe I can add my straightener over here, but let's all see. But I am curious to see if it actually will... no. I also have two more things. I am taking with me two bags over here so I can put them here, like a night one, and this is a gift actually. And then everything else I will actually add it on my on the bag, on the big bag that I will have on my shoulder, so hopefully things will fit. So all the makeup, all the skincare that I prepared before, we will have them, I will always have them with me on my shoulder bag. good morning. It's the next day. It's very early, that's why you see this face. We are ready almost to leave the house, and I want to show you what I have in my small bag as I promised you before we leave for our trip. We have a very long drive, so we woke up super early, like the time is 5:20 now. So yeah, let me show you what I got in my small bag. So here we are. We have the Longchamp bag that I am using it always in my trips, and I have to say I have filled it up quite a lot, but still there's space. So of course I have my iPad with me. Inside over there it's my bag of makeup, and then also over here we have the bag with all the liquids, and then all the chargers. What else? My sunglasses because I'm going to Greece, my hair comb. Over here I have some additional stuff like my glasses, and yeah, all these things inside my bag. And then I have a smaller bag where I will keep my wallet, my passport, and things like this. As you can tell from my outfit, is very simple, very black. I have the naked sweater that is like super big, and also these naked pants, and underneath I also have like a body. So very simple, very comfortable. And yeah, we are preparing everything to take it to the car, and we will begin our trip. Hello, you see me like this because it's early in the morning. I'm at the airport actually in Barcelona. We traveled yesterday from Luxembourg to France, and then I came to Barcelona today this morning to take my flight to go back to Greece. I decided to first come to France with my boyfriend so we can do all the way down here, which is kind of like 9 hours to 11 hours with the car. And this morning at 5 a.m. we woke up, and then 6 a.m. we left, and it's like a 2-hour drive with traffic, so it took a little bit of time. And now I'm here and waiting for my gate to open. I have managed, as you can tell, to have my luggage over here, and also have like my other bag. But yeah, we managed to do everything. I'm just a little bit self-conscious because I'm, you know, filming in public, so I'm not very comfortable speaking here like this. But I hope you understand the message. Everything is fine. I'm on my way to Greece to go meet my family and my friends, and I'm very happy to spend like these holidays over there. And yeah, I'm in front of a really nice window now. Let me show you what I see. And sometimes also there are some airplanes that they are taking off, so it's super nice. And doing a little bit of work on my iPad, and that's it. I'm just waiting for the gate to open. So I will, I think, close the video here because probably it's a long one again. I hope not. I hope I can cut it down. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.